To part 2 of this advanced Excel tutorial. Now in this video I'll tell you how to use the AND if statement. I already told you how to use the if statement in Excel in my previous video, which is the part 1 of this video series. So let's start with how to use the AND if statement. Now I want to put in the grades that the students have obtained after the exam. As you can see, the grades column is still empty. So I have the criteria that I mentioned in the previous video as well. Here is the criteria. For a candidate to score an A grade, he should get marks in excess of 85. And if he scores an F, he will get marks less than 45. And all the other criteria for the grades are also mentioned here, from B grade up to E. So let's start with putting in the formula. So first of all, you'll obviously put in the equal to sign, and we'll put in the if statement, open the parentheses, and for a candidate to score an A grade, he should have marks in excess of 85. So if D2 is greater than 85, then our candidate scores an A grade. Alright, so we'll put in a comma, and now we'll use the if and statement. D2 is greater than 75 and D2 is less than 85 for a candidate to score a B grade. Alright, now we'll close the parentheses. Again we'll put in if and statement again. D2 is greater than 65 and D2 is less than 75. Close down the parentheses, and if he has marks in this range, he will get a C grade. Now similarly I'll repeat it for the B grade. If and D2 is greater than 55 and D2 is less than 65, then he will get a D grade. Alright, and similarly for our E grade, D2 is greater than 45 and D2 is less than 55. Close down the parentheses, take a comma, and then put our grade there. And finally for the F grade, we only need the if statement in this case because we don't have a particular range to define the F grade. So D2 is less than 45, then our candidate scores an F. Alright, so now what's important is how many arguments you have put in to your formula. Now let's count them first. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So to close down the parentheses, we'll put in 6 brackets. So now our formula is complete. Alright, so now we have all our grades in place, and it was a pretty complicated formula, but once you get the hang of it, it kind of gets easier with experience. So I would suggest that you try out this technique because it will greatly help you in Excel if you are dealing with complicated data and you want to use the if-else statement. then I guess this is the best method. So that concludes our advanced Excel tutorial. If you have any other request, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer all your queries. And if you have a specific request regarding Excel or any other software, please let me know in the comments as well.